Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Well, good day and welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and today I'm going to look at investing in renewable and eco-friendly resources. Investing in renewable and eco-friendly resources can help improve your hospitality property's overall profit margin. Today, many travelers prefer accommodations that are environmentally friendly rather than an ordinary hospitality property room. With climate change and the environment grabbing the headlines, increasing pressure to cut carbon emissions, and rising electricity prices, saving energy is on many hoteliers' and innkeepers' priority list. Renewable power, including wind and hydroelectric power, are set to rise by 40% over the next 5 years. With less than 2% of the world's electricity currently generated through solar technology, a recent report estimated that this figure could increase by as much as 13% by the year 2030. It is clear that renewable energy is here to stay as more companies embrace it, and in this group, the travel industry stands out. Here are some examples of how renewable energy is being used by the travel industry to lower operating costs and support a sustainable future. Solar energy. The solar energy industry is set to grow by more than $65 billion. Today, 3/4 of solar installations are less than a couple of years old, and hospitality properties of all sizes are quickly taking to this technology. Although solar power installations can take as long as a decade to pay for themselves, they can cut energy bills by 60%. For this reason, more properties are choosing this option. Wind energy. The terms wind energy or wind power describe the process by which the wind is used to generate mechanical power or electricity. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind to mechanical power. Based on the size of a property, wind energy can cover half the electric bill each month. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. The geothermal gradient, which is the difference in temperature between the core of the planet and its surface, drives a continuous conduction of thermal energy in the form of heat from the core to the surface. With many countries around the world ready to embrace geothermal energy, it is ready to double in size. Biodiesel. Biodiesel refers to a vegetable oil or animal fat-based diesel fuel and is quickly becoming more popular. The U.S. economy reaped more than $4 billion from it in the past year. And there's a property in Sweden that turns its organic waste into biodiesel at a nearby plant. The biodiesel that results from this and similar projects in Sweden are powering the nation's vehicles. Reuse. Waste management is a significant issue at hospitality properties, which are increasingly running programs to reuse linens and towels. Guests can choose to dry their own towels and keep the same bed linens rather than getting new ones each day. To deal with the waste from gardens and kitchens, as I mentioned before, some properties send waste to biogas plants. In conclusion, renewable energy sources are becoming popular with consumers and businesses around the world. Hospitality properties, which are major energy consumers, have taken the lead in embracing these new sources of energy. Along with saving money, renewable energy sources boost a customer's perception of a hospitality property and support a healthier future for everyone. If you have any stories about investing in renewable and eco-friendly resources and would like to share or have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comments section of the show notes. You can find them at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC094. That's it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We appreciate your comments, and if you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. As always, let's work together to put more heads in your beds. Till next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.